nothing back there. It's genuinely really hard to tell.
Yeah, it is.
I can't tell if it's coming from there or there.
It's definitely not this side, though.
No, it's flat.
I just don't like how noisy that is. But it's so smooth, like, runs well. Just something they're banging around.
Honestly, I don't think it's anything too serious.
Yeah, because it's not like a really sharp rap. It's just a little, like, knocking sound, like a little tapping. And, like, when you rev it up, it sounds fine.
Could it be a fuel injector?